Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Ken is the Michelangelo of paintless dent removal in our view. Extreme dent removal, large dents, crease dents, body line dents, bumper dent repair, the tough stuff. Ken's last name is Clark. His friends call him Clark Kent, the man of steel who can remove any dent. The Superman of dent removal. We love it at Best of the Best. Today on Best of the Best, the story of Dent Discount Mobile and Body Shop, the most positively reviewed company of its kind in America. Congratulations again to the entire team at Dent Discount Mobile in San Jose, California for winning back-to-back national Best of the Best honors in 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, and again in 21, and more importantly for delivering gold standard workmanship and customer satisfaction with a history dating back over 30 years when the owner Ken fixed his first dent. At Best of the Best, we never tell a company owner that we are profiling that company. We simply begin our research on any company the same way that most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website, everything we can find online about that company, and if we like what we see, we proceed with a full review. We love the story of Dent Discount Mobile. This is an awesome company. Dent Discount Mobile has been the most positively reviewed dent removal company in America for several years now, according to our research at Best of the Best. When we reviewed Dent Discount Mobile in 2021, they had over 730 five-star reviews on Yelp alone, many more on Google, and many others on other credible review sites, probably many more by the time you see this video. We've never seen another auto body business in the country with more happy customers who are willing to write glowing reviews than we have with Dent Discount Mobile and Body Shop. Customers simply love this company.
Hello my friends, welcome back to Dent Discount.
The owner, Ken, is a great guy. He appears in some nice YouTube videos. He's really passionate about helping his customers and often saving them thousands of dollars on a repair. He considers it a personal challenge. Ken's prices simply blow away most in this industry. He loves fixing a dent for a very fair price that others would have charged that customer thousands of dollars for. We have done the research year after year, and frankly, if you have a dent and you don't call Dent Discount Mobile first, you are crazy, and I mean crazy. There are all kinds of before and after photos on Yelp and Dent Discount's website which show how customers saved, in some cases, several $1,000s by calling Dent Discount Mobile and Body Shop first. Aside from having the most positive reviews in the country, Dent Discount Mobile has won just about every business award you can get in the San Jose market. That customers simply rave about the workmanship, the really fair pricing, the attention to detail, Ken's hands-on, no-pressure demeanor. Many reviewers talked about how other body shops or dealerships wanted hundreds or thousands more than Dent Discount Mobile did. Other places like to order expensive new parts first. Not Ken and his team at Dent Discount Mobile. They know how to make cars look new again, often with a pretty simple fix by these experts. They are simply the best of the best in America. Remember, we didn't tell Ken or anyone else that we were doing this video. We only did so after doing our research again. Finally, at Best of the Best, we really value companies that give back. Ken and his team at Dent Discount Mobile and Body Shop have given back to many people and organizations over the years. They truly care. Congratulations to everyone at Dent Discount Mobile and Body Shop for being the only body shop in the country to win back-to-back national Best of the Best honors each year since 2016, and way more importantly, for taking such great care of customers every single day for many years. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it again.